Good morning. Today I will show you how to watch any video on YouTube in high speed. It's very simple. You just go here on the site, on settings, click here, and then can see playback speed. Just go from normal to, you can just keep trying which number you feel comfortable. You can put, most of my videos I watch in 2, high speed 2. It's very quick, and if you understand very good the language, is you are comfortable, you can watch in 2 and the video go very quick. Because sometimes some people speak very slowly and it's not so loud. So you just put high speed, you watch very quick the videos. And here you watch very slowly. If there is any video that you want, like sometimes I'm watching some tutorial and I didn't catch that information because the person speaks so fast. I just go in uh, this mode here, that is very slowly, but automatic is already normal. Then if you want high speed, you just go on the side here and you just keep trying which one is better for you. Okay, if you want also to put subtitle, you turn it on. Subtitle is um, that language that is appearing here when the video is playing. Okay, if you put sleep timer, you have to keep trying all the time. If you want, try one by one, change to see, try one by one to see what will happen. That's how you learn. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.